All right. Hello, everyone. You're welcome to the call. We're starting right now, and thank you, everyone, for joining the call. The room is fast filling up. The room is fast filling up right now. Thank you, everyone, for joining the call. Thank you for making our time to be here on the call, and thank you for joining the call, everyone. We're gonna get started in a couple of minutes. All right. And this is so amazing. It's just a few minutes into the call, and then few seconds into the call, we've got a lot of people joining the call from different places, I believe. So if you can hear me, I want to make sure that we're connected perfectly. I want to make sure that our connection is perfect for the next hour. So if you can hear me very well, if you can hear me loud and clear, I want to please type a yes in the chat box right now. Type a yes in the chat box. So let's make sure that we connected privately and you can hear me and you can see my screen. You can see my screen and you can hear me. Happy yes in the chat box so we can get started right away, right? Okay, so I can see the yes flooding the screen. I can see yes. Yes, I can hear you. Fantastic. This is amazing. All right, I'm super excited to be here. I'm super excited to be your host on this call today. That tells me that all right. Yes. Oh, this is amazing. All right. Oh, this tells me that okay, you are ready to transform your business. And all right, awesome. Yes. Thank you so very much for that confirmation that you can hear me and you can see my screen. That means we're all set to get started, right? Let's turn up the energy a little bit. Okay, so I want to know. Let's get kind of let's know where we're joining the call from. Where you joining the call from? I want to know your city, your country, where you're joining the call from, so we know what part of the world is represented on the call today, right? So tell us your city, your country, wherever you're joining us to call, wherever you're joining us from today. So let us know your city, your country, and let's see. All right. So I think we have a global audience. All right, we have a global audience, and this is incredible. So we have Sharon, Sharon is joining us from London, and we have David from Miami. We have Kim from Maryland, and we have Akinyi from Lagos. Favor is joining us from Netherlands. That's amazing. We have Chan from Malaysia. Chan, you're welcome. Everybody, you're welcome to the call and I'm so happy to have you all in the call today. You're welcome to the call, everyone. We have Obed. Obed is joining us from Casper, and thank you very much, Obed. Thank you, David. Thank you, Saron. Thank you, Kim. Thank you, Favor. Thank you, Obed. And we have Mark from Germany. We have Tiwen from South Africa, if I'm pronouncing that now. Tiwen from South Africa, right? You're welcome to the call today. And thank you, everyone, for joining us. So many people on the call, and this is so exciting and it's quite encouraging for me being on the call with so many people from all over the world, and that's so exciting. And I'm so happy to be on the call today with you guys, with everybody. Thank you for making out the time to be here. I want to know that your time is highly valuable to us, and we're gonna get started right now. All right, so let's get serious, right? Um, the webinar training is about how to 5x your sales revenue without driving more traffic, without increasing your ad budget, and without you having to hire more staff or even working more hours yourself. All right. We're going to be exploring what we call the conversion multiplier method. All right. So if you're here because you're currently driving traffic, or you whether it's organic traffic or paid traffic, and you're feeling like you're leaving money on the table, you feel like you're leaving profit and freedom on the table, you are in the right place, all right? Because this is the truth, all right? The truth is that the call today, on this call, we're going to be exploring a lot of strategies, a lot of different techniques that you're going to use over the next 90 minutes or so. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to 5x your sales revenue, okay? And we're going to be doing this without any of the things that the gurus tell you out there, right? Well, we're not going to waste money driving more traffic. We're not going to increase your ad budget, and we're certainly not going to make you hire more staff or even work more hours. All right. So the entire goal of this webinar is very simple. All right. I want to show you how to take your same product, the same product that you have right now, the same offer that you currently have, and how to take the same traffic that you currently have and dramatically turn them into more sales. All right, and this is the power of what we call the conversion multiplier method. And and it's going to change how you look at your business entirely by the end of this training today. All right, it's about showing you exactly how to take the same product that you have, the same offer, the same traffic, and make more sales from it. An incredible opportunity, right? Awesome, great. So What should you expect from this call today? What should you expect from this training today? All right. First of all, I'm promising you that by the end of this call today, I'm going to show you how to 5x your sales revenue using the conversion multiplier method without you having to increase your ad budget, buy more traffic, or working a single extra hour. All right. And apart from that, I'm also going to help you discover exactly how to stop paying thousands of dollars every single month on fragmented broken conversion tools. And also, you're going to be able to eliminate over $5,000 in developers' fees. Okay, and I'm going to show you the secret that is being used by Amazon, Booking.com, Microsoft, and so many other global brands out there today to recover over 20%, over 25% of abandoned carts and fix their sales leaks. All right. And then, fourthly, I'm going to give you the key to build a 100% profit, six-figure income stream without you having to go through the hustle of product creation, customer support, or technical maintenance. All right. And then finally, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your entire high converting sales machine customized and launched in under 24 hours, completely eliminating implementation delays and technical confusion that comes with you having to build your product and create everything from scratch. Okay, so that's amazing, right? These are my promises to you if you stay with us to the end of the call today. I'm going to be giving you all of these 5 items and even more if you stay with us. All right, and that's not all. All right, so for those of us who are going to stay with us to the end of this webinar today, I've got some incredible bonuses for you. All right, absolutely free bonuses that you're going to get if you stay with us to the end of the call today. The first one, I'm going to give you what we call the web traffic generation mastery. All right, the web traffic generation mastery, right? And yes, I know that we say that you don't need more traffic, but when you're converting at 5x, you need the knowledge to scale. The blueprint shows you how to pull ahead of buyer traffic to your offers, right? Okay. So I'm going to show you that because you're going to need it. The second bonus I'm going to be giving you today is what we call the convert like clockwork training board. All right, the Convert Like Clockwork training board is just not like any other software. This is what we call, this is about you engineering the knowledge that you get from this webinar today, and then to be able to turn your visitors into buyers with machine-like efficiency. All right, so I'm going to have 2 extra bonuses for you, and these are like my mystery bonuses, right? And they are massive, they are exclusive, and they are the key for you to unlock 100% of your 6-figure profit potential from this webinar training today. But I cannot reveal them to you right now because I want you to stay to the end of the call to be able to get them, to know what they are, and then to be able to get them, right? But one thing you should know for sure is that they are guaranteed to eliminate any remaining risk or brand confusion that your business is probably going through right now. And the reality is this, even if you don't think that you need the conversion multiplier method that we're talking about on the call today, the truth is you're going to need the knowledge, the blueprint, and the benefit that comes from my 2 mystery bonuses that I'm going to be giving you today. And they have some very insane bonuses that you cannot afford to miss. All right? Incredibly amazing, right? Now, if you're going to stay to the end to get all of the 5 bonuses, all of the 5 promises I've made you previously, and all of these 4 bonuses that I'm going to give you by the end of the call today, I want you to type a me in the chat box so I know that you're making a commitment to stay with me to the end of the call today. All right, type a me in the chat box so I know that you're going to stay with me. All right, type in me, me. All right, so I'm seeing a lot of people typing me, and that's fantastic. I'm gonna have a lot of people staying with me to the call today, and that is quite encouraging for me. I have Mike said me, I have Justin is going to stay, Justin said me, I'm going to stay, and then Ahmed is also going to stay. Thank you very much for committing to stay to the end of the webinar today. We have Trisha also is going to stay, and so many of you are typing me, and that's quite encouraging for me. Thank you very much for making the commitment to stay with me to the end of the call today. But another important thing I want to tell you is about myself. Who am I? All right, who am I, and what exactly makes me qualified to show you how to multiply your sales by 5x? Okay, so you must be interested in knowing who you're listening to and who is speaking to you. All right, my name is Lars Ilechukwu, and my name is Lars Ilechukwu, and professionally, I'm a lawyer, All right, I've got so many degrees, I've got different certifications, and I'm a member of a lot of professional bodies, right? But in 2011, I made a career switch into marketing, tech, and entrepreneurship. And ever since then, I have been in your shoes, running multiple successful ventures and businesses. I've built businesses around freelancing, agency. I've launched Shopify and WooCommerce e-com stores. I've mastered affiliate marketing, and I've created my own SaaS platforms. Now, the reason why this experience matters is because it has helped me understand revenue leaks in every single niche you can think of. And I built the conversion multiplier method to fix those leaks no matter what business model you use. All right, because today I identify as a digital entrepreneur with business interest in content marketing, agency, e-commerce, software technologies, and consulting. All right. And I have been able to generate over $5 million in sales across multiple business models. All right. And you can see them right here on my screen. Okay. These screenshots were taken from our Klaviyo account that is connected to our WooCommerce stores and our Shopify stores as well. All right. So this is from our email service provider, and it's showing how much we've generated across these different stores that we run, right? And not just that, I have also been able to dominate 6 to 7 figure leaderboards on affiliate marketplaces. And you can see them right here, right? Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and the likes. Okay, so, and I've also been able to coach and train hundreds of successful students and mentees across different business models using the same strategy I'm about to show you on the call today. So one thing you can know about me is that I'm not just here to read this and scroll through the slides with you. I do the do and I walk the walk. I walk the talk. And that means that I practice what I teach, right? And you can see them from my own personal results. So here's the thing. By the time you start to the end of the call today and you listen to everything that I'm going to share with you on this call, all the lessons, all the strategies, all the methods, and everything that I'm going to show you on the call today, you're going to have an amazing life. And that's what I promise you, right? So you're gonna stop thinking about the struggle, the coding headaches, and the monthly bills that drain your profit. And by the end of this call, I want you to start thinking about financial freedom because that's going to be your reality. All right, you're going to have the freedom to generate a reliable, automated income stream that allows you to be able to travel the world, and you'll be able to buy what you want when you want them, and you'll be able to spend more time with the people that matter most to you in your life. I'm knowing very well that your website is going to be is working for you 24/7, generating 5 to 6 figure passive income for you every single day. And this is going to be the reality that awaits you by the end of this call today. So I implore you to please stay put and pay attention to everything that we have to say on the call today. And you have to focus to be able to get there. All right. So that takes me to the next point. As I'm welcoming you, I'm also enjoining you to make sure that you turn off every single distraction, everything that's going to take your attention away from the core, everything that's going to distract you from getting the full value of what we're going to be unraveling and revealing on the call today. Okay, so make sure you turn off your distraction, grab your pen and paper, all right, or your notepad, because I'm going to be dropping the exact blueprint and different strategies that I've created millions of dollars in revenue for myself, for my students, and my clients. And you cannot trust this to memory, right? So you have to take notes. All right, so I want you to put some things down and be ready to go over them by the end of the call so that you can be able to really, really master the lessons that we're reviewing on the call today. And that will be to your immense advantage. Okay, so I want to review something to you. Did you know, we're getting now straight into the content of the training. So did you know that one of the problems that people have is that most business owners are actually obsessed with getting more and more and more traffic. And that's one of the reasons why ads are getting pretty much expensive across all platforms. All right, you have ads are getting more expensive on Facebook, ads are getting more expensive on Google, ads are getting more expensive on TikTok, ads are getting more expensive on LinkedIn, ads are getting more expensive everywhere on Instagram and the rest of them. Why? Because a lot of people would think that the only thing they need to scale up their business and make more money, make more revenue is more traffic. Right? We've been plugged into this myth for a long time. And a lot of people think that what they need for their business to grow is more traffic. But the reality is that that's not the problem. Traffic isn't the problem. You see, You can get more and more traffic. If you're not converting those traffic into sale, they are meaningless, right? So traffic is not a problem, right? We've got so many people with very little traffic, but if they are able to convert those traffic into sales, they're making truckload of money. So the real problem is not traffic. The real problem is actually your conversion rate. It's how much you are able to convert the traffic that you're getting, no matter how little. So that's the real problem facing a lot of businesses. But people are plugged into the myth that the problem they're having for their business is traffic. Well, I'm here to tell you today that the problem you're having in your business is actually not more traffic. You don't need more traffic. You don't need more workers. You don't need to work more hours. All you need is to get better conversion rate. So imagine this. You're getting like about 10,000 visitors every single month, and you're probably converting to with about 2% or 1% of those visitors. Imagine that you are able to 5x that amount of conversion rate. Without increasing traffic, same 10,000 visitors, you're going to have tremendous revenue. You're going to have 5 times more revenue that you currently get. That's the power of conversion rate. So it's not about you getting more traffic, it's about you making the most of the traffic that you currently have. All right. So it's about you making the most of the traffic that you currently have. That's what matters. So imagine this. This is the conversion effect I'm talking about. All right. It's about you making small improvements in the conversion that you have right now. And that will equal massive growth rates for your business. All right. So it's this. The mathematics is very simple, right? So it's same traffic that you have. If you're able to implement better conversion strategies, you're going to make more money. And it's as simple as it gets. All right. The same traffic that you have, the same product and everything that you have, if you're able to implement better conversion strategies, you are going to make more money. And this has happened to us several years ago. All right, some years back when we were getting like about 8,000 monthly visitors on our stores, and we were getting about $5,000 in revenue. However, that was about, let's say like about 2.1% conversion rate. That was what it stood at back then. And by the way, in order for us to get about 8,000 visitors every month now, so we spend about $3,500 last month every month in our ads and marketing expenditures. All right, so that leaves us with roughly about 1,500 gross profit, right? And because we haven't even taken care of some other things that we spend money on as a business. So literally, that's about just a minimum wage, right? If you think about it quickly and about what is going to be your what was our take home at the end of the day back there. All right, so we'll spend about 60 hours every week. Me and my team have got a little bit of a few VAs there working with me. So we'll spend about 60 hours every single week to generate this result, and we were being dragged. So I was trapped on the traffic treadmill. I was grinding, I was spending money, I was getting nowhere. Now, if that story sounds like your life right now, spending big time to make small, I want to know one thing, right? I was frustrated and I knew something had to change and I had to find a different lever. That lever is what led me to the conversion multiplier method I'm going to teach you on this call today. All right. So here's the thing. Why everybody is focused on getting more traffic, and even though I have experienced it myself, it is very expensive. So the thing that actually got us to get 8.7% more result is by using this thing that we call the conversion multiplier method. So when I discovered this conversion multiplier method, we were able to drive our revenue from a major 2.1%, and we were able to drive our conversion rate, from 2.1% to about 8.7% in conversion rate. All right. And now you might be wondering, how were you able to, tremendously increase our conversion rate from 2.1% to 8.7%? Now, the answer is this. I had spent several years struggling for 2%, like I said, and suddenly I was here, all right? But the truth is that it wasn't really luck. This was a system that we built. This was a system that we discovered. This was a system that we decoded, right? And that eliminated the need to buy more traffic. And instead of buying more traffic, we focused on conversion rate. And we're able to get more money, more conversion rate with almost the same amount of traffic that we've always had. Now, how many of you want to learn this system? How many of you want to see exactly how we were able to achieve this tremendous result from 2.1% to 8.7% in our business. All right, so if you want to see the strategy that led us to these numbers, if you want to see the strategy that led us to discover this amazing result that we had in our business back then, by the way, we're getting much more better result right now across our line of businesses, both in the agency, the consulting, in the e-commerce side, in the affiliate marketing, or in the software angles, right? So we're getting quite a lot, and I've got teams handling them right now. So I'm giving you a result that could probably relate to the level where you probably are right now, if I'm not mistaken. So if you know that you want to learn the result that we're teaching, that led us to get this result that we're going to teach you on the call today, I want you to comment, I'm ready, in the chat box right now. So, all right, try as much as possible to be engaged in this training so that I'll know exactly that you're participating and you're listening to me, you're hearing me, and you're engaged with me, right? So go ahead and type, okay, we've got so many people typing, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. I have David said, I'm ready, Mark is ready, and Thelma says, I'm ready, Stefan is ready. All right, and so many, I'm ready, awesome, guys, thank you very much. This is super excited. I'm super excited, and all of you are ready for this transformation. Now, let's dive into the core mechanics, what we call the intelligent conversion triggers. All right, the intelligent conversion triggers. These were some of the changes that we made on our website that really turned things up, right? It is very simple, adding some small information on the side, small tweaks here and there, things that Sarah from Dallas purchased these 3 minutes ago, and only 2 left, and so many of those changes all led us to get the incredible results that we got from our different websites. All right, so it was running 24/7 completely on autopilot, and it was AI powered. All right, so many changes, different strategies, and I'm going to unveil all of them on the call with you if you stick around in the next few slides. All right, so we were able to achieve this, making very simple tweaks, and you're going to see the results that we got. We're able to 4x our revenue using those simple tweaks on our site. And I'm going to show you what they are, and I'm going to show you what result that we got. For instance, in one of those stores, we're getting about 2.1%. When we implemented this strategy, we're getting about 8.7% in conversion rate, and our revenue climbed from $5,000 every month to about $20,000. All right, we're leveraging the same amount of traffic, the same offer, nothing changed. But nothing changed in terms of the traffic and in terms of the product. We're using the same product, the same traffic, but you can see the results. All right, we can 4x the revenue. Well, we're going to 4x the conversion rate and 4x the revenue. From 2.1% revenue, from 2.1% conversion rate to about 8.7% conversion rate, from $5,000 in revenue to over $20,000. And this is possible for anyone. This is possible for you. This is possible for me. This is possible for anyone who is ready to make the changes and transform their business using this training and every information that we're going to unveil on this call today. All right. So what are the things that we did actually that made those changes? First of all, we implemented what we call the exit intent campaign on our website, implemented social proof notifications, implemented urgency counters, and we implemented email capture offers. And some of these are some of the changes that we made that really turned things up. And those are changes that I'm going to be teaching you how to make and how to deploy these strategies in different methods and in different ways. Even a lot more than this, depending on your campaign goals, depending on your business models and everything. I'm going to be showing you every single thing on the call today in the next few minutes. All right. So that's it. These 4 things and a lot more, those are the secret action that turned 2.1% conversion rate into about 8.7% conversion rate. Right? Now, like I told you already, so those changes drove us from making about 168 sales every month to making about 696 sales, driving our revenue from 5K per month to about $21,000. All right, so if you do the math, that's about 4 times what we used to make before the changes that we made on the site. All right, so it is amazing. It is very encouraging, and that is the kind of result that you should expect to get from your site if you apply the lessons and the training that we're going to give you on the call. All right, that we're going to be unveiling on the call with you today. All right, so the strategy is very simple. The strategy is very simple, and it is a single one principle that you need to employ. It's about you employing strategies that actually meet people where they are with the right message at the right time. You're going to make sales. If you're able to meet your visitors where they are with the right message, the right offer at the right time, you're going to actually make tremendous sales. All right, so you need to stop treating all traffic the same. Your visitors is either hesitant or confused and procrastinating or about to leave. You must be able to customize your psychological intervention to that exact state. All right, everybody that comes to your site are not the same, so you must be able to put strategies in place that treats visitors according to their actions, and that's what drove us to the result that we just shared with you on the call right now. All right, and that's what we call the conversion multiplier method. Okay, so that's what made the difference between us making about just minimum wage to hitting about 8.7% in conversion rate. And it's that simple and powerful. Meeting people where they are with the right message at the right time, and that's going to make all the difference in your business. Now, we're not alone. In fact, we're very small compared to the people who are using this strategy. We've got tech giants and global brands making use of this same exact method to drive insane results in their business. I'm going to show you that. We have companies like Amazon, we have companies like Booking.com, we have companies like Microsoft making use of these strategies to tremendously increase their revenue. For example, Amazon, for instance, they make use of behavior triggered pop-ups and personalized product recommendations, increasing conversion rate by about 8.1% on average. We were able to use exit intent implementation alone to drive over 25% of abandoned cart recoveries. And overall, Amazon used conversion rate optimization efforts to generate an incremental $619 million in revenue in 2021. So these are big companies employing the same strategy, the same method we're talking about to drive insane results in their business. And that's not all. Booking.com, they deployed what we call the countdown timers for urgency and boosted their conversion rate by 9%. They were able to leverage geo-targeted pricing and promotion and show proof notification of recent bookings to drive insane results as well. So the conversion multiplier method that we're talking about on this call today generated about $10 billion for Booking.com in 2022, accounting for about 92% of their total revenue. That's incredible. All right. So these guys are people who have global audience. They are big. So a little tweak on their side will bring tremendous result. No matter how small or how big your business is, this strategy works for everyone. Talk about Microsoft. All right. Microsoft was able to use A/B testing and optimize site layouts and flows to increase conversion rate by over 400% for some of their products. They were able to use personalized content recommendation to improve conversion by about 19%. And they were able to also use the same strategy to recover abandoned cart worth about $83 million in possible lot sales in 2021. All right, so they were also able to use the lead capture campaign to grow their email list by 37% year over year. So by implementing advanced beginner-friendly conversion multiplier method strategies, Microsoft was able to realize extra $245 million in revenue in 2021 alone. So these are companies, global brands, well-known names that are employing the same strategy that we're talking about on the call today to achieve tremendous results. All right, Amazon, Booking.com, Microsoft, and hundreds of other businesses out there have been using the same strategy that we're talking about on the call today to generate insane results for themselves. So that means that no matter how big or how small your company is, you're going to be able to make use of this strategy. So who else wants to see this type of results? Do you want to see this type of results in your business? Do you want to leave this training today fully equipped with to 5x your revenue with this conversion multiplier method that we're going to be talking about and that we're talking about on the call today? So if you are one more person who wants to see this type of results in your business, I want you to type a me in the chat. All right, type a me in the chat. Let me know you're active and ready to receive this, because I'm going to be unveiling all of the strategies, how we use it, and how you can use it. You're going to see everything live on this call in the next couple of minutes. So type in me in the chat. So I'll know you're following and you're active and ready to receive this. All right, so I see the me coming in. I see means. All right, fantastic. Awesome. So you're ready to receive this system, right? You're ready to receive this strategy, ready to go into this ecosystem and exploit. All right. So you're ready to stop guessing. You're ready to start leveraging the exact method that all these tech giants use. All right. So we're going to dive into the real issue right now. I've shown you everything. I've shown you the strategy, the result, and everything. But here's one thing: for you to be able to make use of this strategy, there really has to be something has to give, right? And if you want to increase your conversion rate without spending more on ads, without driving more traffic, you've got to either spend in terms of time and tools, right? So it's got to cost you something, but not what you're currently spending. So you're going to spend time, your skills or tools to be able to achieve them. And that's the problem. And that is the exact reason why not so many people are using the same strategy in their business right now, because it costs time, tools, or skills for you to be able to leverage them. All right. So, but the problem is that a lot of the conversion tools out there right now, they are broken because each does only one thing and they are capped in terms of the features, or they require a lot of technical skills for you to be able to use them, or they are very, very expensive for you to use. And it's happened to me. So I know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm telling you what I'm telling you from my personal experience, from the experience of my team members, my students, and my clients as well. So these tools that is going to help you to get these results, for you to be able to deploy these strategies, they are either broken, they are either very expensive, they either require some technical expertise from you, which a lot of people don't have, and that is why not so many people are using them. All right. For instance, myself, when we were making use of some of these tools, we were spending about $300 to $400 every month to about 3 to 4 of them. And I'm going to tell you what tools I was using, right? So we're making use of Optim Monster, for instance. We're paying about $49 every month on it, and it has very limited features, right? So we're making use of Proof, and we're paying about $79 every month, and we're making use of Justino, we're paying about $99 every month. But here's the thing: if you want to stop making use of these tools and you want to develop it yourself, you're probably going to be spending about $5,000 in upfront payment to developers to be able to create your own custom solutions, right? So is it that you develop your own solution, or you pay monthly for these expensive tools to be able to use them? And that's why not many people know about them. Not many people are using them. Not many people are leveraging the advantages that these kind of tools actually offer. Now, here's the thing: even if you're able to afford the subscriptions and everything, because of the fragmented nature of the tools, because of the way they are limited in terms of features and what they can do for each of them, you will not still be able to solve all the problems. Like for us, it helped a little bit, but it was draining our time, our wallet, and even required more in terms of skills and everything else. All right. So I wasn't satisfied myself. My team wasn't satisfied because we couldn't find what we were looking for. And what exactly what we were looking for? We're looking for an all-in-one solution, something that is non-technical for people, something that doesn't have ridiculous limitations. And we definitely don't like the monthly subscription that comes with it because it's very expensive. All right. So when you add up all your monthly subscription from different platforms, you're going to notice that your monthly cost, your monthly business running expenses, your business running overhead is actually getting quite expensive for you to keep maintaining, right? So we were looking for an all-in-one solution, something that is very simple and something that doesn't have so much limits, and something that doesn't plug us into an endless monthly subscription. All right. So we looked everywhere for this. We couldn't find a solution that actually matches what we're looking for. All right. There was nothing like an all-in-one solution like that. There was nothing like unlimited usage. There was nothing like so simple to use, and none of them was without monthly subscription. So that was nothing like it at all. So what we did was to put our brain together, was to design something, was to create something, and we'll be able to build a perfect solution for ourselves and for our business. All right. So we're able to find everything that we're looking for in one platform. All right. The exit intent bounce repeller, the social proof notification, the countdown timer, the lead gen, the video campaign, the engagement booster, the review widgets, the info widget, the promo push, WhatsApp chat automation, and what have you. We're able to build everything into one place, powered by artificial intelligence. Every single thing that we ever wanted, every single thing that we wanted to use, we were able to get everything in one place by the power of artificial intelligence. All right. So if you're interested right now, you've been listening to me right here, and you're interested to see exactly how we were able to deploy these conversion multiplier methods in our business, and also you want to see how you can do the same in your own business, no matter your industry, no matter your business models, and no matter the type of website that you have. If you're ready to receive that, I'm going to give you the different ways that you can deploy all of these different strategies right now on the course, so you can start using them for your business right away. Number one, like I told you, was the exit intent campaign strategy. Now, the goal for this strategy is for you to capture visitors before they leave, turning potential bounces into conversions. And you can do this by actually just triggering targeted messages or offers when a visitor shows signs of leaving your website. So it's like you stopping someone right on the way and then giving them something that they actually love, and they can come back into your store and make instant purchases from you. Okay, with this, you can be able to reduce your abandoned cart rates and increase more sales. Engage new visitors with fresh offers and things that they really love, and make people stay on your site and read more of your content, and direct people to specific strategic pages of your site, no matter where they're coming from. And when you are able to deploy these kind of strategies for your website, that is only one thing that is possible, right? Your visitors are compelled to take your desired action. Now, the second campaign strategy that this probably can give you is what we call the social proof notification. Now, the goal with this kind of strategy is for you to be able to leverage human psychology by showing real-time activity and testimonials to influence visitor behavior and drive conversions. So it's very simple to use. All you have to do is to display small, non-intrusive notifications or banners on your website that highlight recent customer actions and purchases. And that's just how it works. Now, imagine that a visitor is on your website, potentially interested in a product or service, but they might be hesitant a little bit. If you're able to show that visitor that there are so many other people who are on your site right now, taking the action that they are delaying to take, and they're getting incredible results with actual proof, what do you think is going to happen? That visitor is definitely going to take action, because why? You're showing them that this thing is tested and approved by a lot of people, and they are not going to be alone in it, because there are so many people getting results from it, and they're going to be able to get results with it as well. So you're going to make a tremendous sales if you're able to leverage this strategy on your website. All right, so we also have the countdown timer strategy, and it's about you driving immediate action by creating a sense of urgency and scarcity around an offer or event on your website. Then we have what we call the lead gen and list building tools campaign strategy. So here you're actually proactively capturing visitor contact information to build your marketing list and enabling direct communication and long-term conversation with your audience. So you're actually just presenting valuable offers and everything. And these, mind you, every single thing that we're talking about here is going to, with the strategy that we're talking and the solution we're giving you today, you're going to be able to make use of all of these strategies on autopilot. You don't even have to do anything yourself. All right. So imagine that a visitor is on your site showing interest in one content or product that you have, but it isn't ready to buy right now. So if you're able to grab their contact information, you're going to be able to sell to them when they are ready to buy. Now, we also have the video campaign strategy. So you are here with this strategy, you are going to be able to leverage video content within the pop-up to deliver offers, campaign, capture leads, or build strong connection with your visitors, right? So it's about you just displaying a time-triggered campaign with a video that actually has a compelling message, demo, or offer that combines to a very compelling call to action that your visitors are going to take your desired action on. Then we also have the website engagement booster campaign strategy. And this is going to increase the interactivity and time that people spend on your site, exploring your content and your product. And you are most definitely going to make a lot of sales and conversions through this engagement strategy on your site. Because one of the problems that a lot of businesses have is actually keeping people engaged on their website. So if you have analytics like Google Analytics and some other analytics tools, and you go into your dashboard to actually check how people are engaging with your content on your site, one of the things that you're quickly going to notice is that a lot of people just come to your site and within a few seconds they are gone. So if your website, if your sales page or landing page operates that way, you are going to be leaving a lot of money on the table because people are not even spending enough time on your site to be able to consume your content or take your desired action. But if you deploy this strategy that we're talking about with this use case, you're going to be able to keep people on your site for long enough for them to take actions on your product, your offers, and your content. So the next thing I'm going to be giving you, this strategy is going to be giving you is what we call the website review widget. So here you are actually just displaying proactively customer reviews and ratings on key website pages to build trust, reduce friction, and influence purchasing decisions. All right, so if you're able to integrate these dynamic widgets, you're going to be able to display authentic customer feedback, fostering confidence into your potential buyers. All right, so and this is very effective because a lot of people rely on third-party reviews to be able to make a buying decision on your website. So this is going to be able to for you to just it's going to enable you to be able to just present these to your visitors, and they are going to be driven to take action immediately on your site. So this is one of the use cases that the strategy that we're talking about, the all-in-one solution, gives you. All right, so and you're going to be able to make use of any of them based on what your marketing objective is, based on what your business goals are, and you're going to be able to make use of them very, very effectively to drive your desired results. And then we have the website info strategy as well. So here you're just sensitizing people who are on your site and giving them the action or the answers to questions that they may have and driving them or guiding them through the journey on your site to take your desired action using this strategy as well. Think about things like your frequently asked question, your shipping details, your policies, and your trust badge, and so many of those concepts are going to all go into this strategy, and you're going to be able to deploy them to get customers to take your desired actions. All right. So we have the promo push campaign strategy as well. So you're actually just delivering urgent and attention-grabbing promotional messages to your site visitors, and giving them incredible, irresistible offers and driving immediate action. All right. So let's say, for instance, a user lands on your website, potentially unaware of your current promotion that you're running, and you just use the strategy to give them that strong incentive and give them everything that you need to be able to take advantage of your promotion. What do you think is going to happen? You're going to take action and you're going to make more money very easily. You're not driving more traffic. You're actually just pushing people who are coming on your site to take your desired action with different strategies that you're putting on your website. And it's going to be working 24/7 on autopilot. You don't even have to be there. All right. So that's how to use the promo push campaign. One way to use it actually, because there are so many ways that you can deploy it as well and get your desired results. Now, we also have what we call the WhatsApp chat automation strategy. Okay, so this is going to enable you to provide instant personalized customer service and sales assistance via WhatsApp directly from your website, enhancing engagement and conversion as well. So you're going to be able to integrate WhatsApp chat widget on your site that allows visitors to actually initiate conversations and support by automated flows and human handover. All right, so imagine, for example, that a user is on your site and potentially with questions about a product or service that you offer, and you're able to provide quick and accessible information right on time. What do you think is going to happen? What do you think is going to happen? All right. So your user is going to take your desired action instantly because you're responsive and you're right on time. You're able to reach them where they are. You're able to give them an automated flow, and then you're able to engage them immediately when they have a question. And they're going to love you for that, and they're going to give you their money. All right. So we have the multi-channel notification strategy as well, which is something that's going to give you real-time report of exactly what is happening on your site as you go. No matter where you are, you're going to be receiving feedback and report of what is going on your site. So you know when your site is performing very well and when you need to make a tweak and everything. So you're going to be getting this report very different means, either by email, WhatsApp, Slack, Telegram, X, Discord, Microsoft Teams, SMS, and even robocall. All right. So take, for example, a marketing team or individual is running a multiple campaign across different platforms, right? So this is going to give you a feedback and report of how different campaigns that you're running on your site are performing. And finally, you have the HTML, the custom HTML campaign strategy. All right, so this helps you to actually get high-level customization for your different strategies on your site. So if there's any strategy that you want to deploy on your site and we don't currently have it, or you don't currently have it on the platform, you'll be able to actually launch a much more customized campaign design, content, and strategy and everything, leveraging the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that is built into the platform that we're providing you with. And this is a very amazing solution, right? Take, for instance, your business has a specific marketing goal that requires an on-set interaction or visual element that exists that existing tools or template cannot fully support due to branding complexity or some functionalities limitations and any of those things. and you are able to actually customize those things and launch it with the power of artificial intelligence. That's what the solution that this tool actually offers you, and you'll be able to make use of it very effectively using these strategies. All right, that's amazing, right? So let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question real quick. Who do you think that this conversion multiplier method that we talked about on this is meant to serve? Who do you think that this conversion multiplier method that we talked about in the previous slides are meant to serve? Is it just is it just supposed to serve only e-commerce businesses, or do you think they can serve just about any business? Who do you think that all of these strategies that we talked about in the previous slide, all of these scenarios, all of the different ways to use them, all of the benefits, all of the advantages of using those conversion multiplier method that we talked about just right now, who do you think they're going to serve? Is it only e-commerce businesses, or can it serve almost any business? All right. So if you said that it's going to serve just any business, you're right. Because the conversion multiplier method that we're talking about will be able to serve any business at all, no matter what your business model is, depending on your campaign goal, depending on your objective and anything. So right now, I want you to think about your own business, right? Think about your own business. I want you to visualize how you can deploy any of those use cases that we talked about and accomplish one objective or the other towards increasing your conversion rate and getting better results on your own website. How can you be able to use them? I want to visualize it and see how you can deploy different some of those strategies that we talked about in your own business and be able to make an impactful result on your site. Think about it this way, right? How you can be able to capture visitors before they leave using the exit intent strategy, turning potential bounces into conversions. Think about how you can be able to use social proof notification campaign to leverage human psychology to by showing real-time activity and testimonials on your website to improve visitor behavior and drive more conversions on your site, right? Also, think about how you can use countdown timer strategy to drive immediate action by creating a sense of urgency and scarcity around an offer or event on your site. Think about how you can use the WhatsApp chat automation to provide instant personalized customer service and assistant via WhatsApp directly from your website and increasing and enhancing your engagement and conversion, right? Think about how you can use the lead gen and list building campaign strategy to proactively capture visitors' contact information to build marketing lists and increase to enable direct communication and also increase your long-term conversion rate. Also, think about this as well. Think about how you can be able to use the video purpose strategy as well on your site, right? Think about how you can be able to use videos to leverage engagement, content, and deliver demos, offers, capture leads, and also create strong connections on your site. Think about how you can use the engagement boosters as well to increase visitor interaction, time spent on your site, and how people explore your content on your site and every of those things, right? Think about how you can use the video widget as well. Think about how you can use the info strategy. Think about how you can use the promo push campaign strategy. Think about how you can use all of these things, all right, to create impactful results on your site. Think about how you can use the exit intent strategy, how you can use the social proof notification campaign, how you can use the countdown timer campaign, how you can use the video pop-up campaign, how you can use the lead gen campaign, how you can use the WhatsApp chat automation, how you can use the website engagement boosters, how you can use review widgets, how you can use the info widget, and how you can use the promo push campaign strategy as well. All of these things can work to your own advantage if you are able to deploy them and use them very effectively on your website. All right. Having said that, all right, think about these, and I want you to spend a moment to actually picture your future. All right. So if you're able deploying all of those strategies that we talked about, if you're able to actually use them to 2x, 3x, 5x, or even 10x your current conversion rate. Let's assume, for instance, that on your website right now, your sales page, your landing page is converting at about 2%. If you're able to make it 4%, if you're able to make it 6%, if you're able to make it 10%, if you're able to make it 20%, how much extra income do you think is going to add to your bottom line at the end of the day? Are you going to be able to add an extra 2K? Are you going to be able to add about extra $5,000, $10,000, or even $50,000 in sales revenue? Think about it right now. All right. This is not theory, right? This is actually what happens when you stop wasting money on traffic and start multiplying your conversions with a single dedicated platform. This is going to be your new reality. All right. It's about you making this small investment that's required to transform your business. And you're not going to be alone, because there are a lot of businesses right now out there that are using this same strategy that we talked about right now, apart from Amazon, Booking, or Microsoft that we talked about previously, right? There are so many other smaller businesses out there that are using these same strategies to make extraordinary income in their business. They're making extraordinary impact and getting incredible results in their business. And this is actually possible for you as well. Think about Tyrex, right? Tyrex is a very small investment company that used this same strategy that we talked about to increase their email opt-in by 187%, but recover the abandoned cart by 25% within 60 days using exit intent pop-up and gamification tools. Now, think about yourself, right? Just like imagine that you are able to make use of this strategy. How much more money and how much more leads, how much money do you think you will be able to recover if you're able to recover abandoned cart at 25% and you're able to get 187% more leads in your business? Again, we have Smosh. Smosh is a software company that added about 17,000 plus new subscribers to their email list and boosted sales by 38% using targeted behavior-driven notification campaign. You, just like Smosh, if you're able to make use of these strategies to add extra 17,000 people to your subscriber list, how much more money do you think that's going to add to your pocket? If each of those 17,000 people gives you $1 average every single month, that's going to be at least $17,000 in your $17,000 addition in your monthly revenue, and that's incredible, right? That's not all. Also, let's look at a single individual who's also making use of this strategy right now. Okay, I'm talking about someone called Gary Frick. He's a talented graphic designer, right? And he's converted about 23% of his website traffic into concrete leads and inquiries and opt-ins with using opt-ins and social proof notifications. All right. So Gary used very simple strategies built right into his platform to strategically increase his opt-in rate and increase his booking as well. He converted about 23% of his website visitors into concrete leads. And that's an instant conversion rate, right? That means that 1 out of every 4 people visiting his site became a potential client. And this is possible for you as well. Think about your own business. Think about whatever you do right now. If you're able to actually get 1 out of 4 people visiting your site to take action and give you their contact information and become a potential lead, how much money do you think that's going to add to your pocket at the end of the day? Also, let's look at another industry. Flynn is a beauty company, right? So they were able to actually see about 15% more requests in quotes after adding a call to action button and geotected coupon codes on their site using the strategy that we're talking about on this call today. We were able to see 15% more results, 15% more results using this exact same strategy here. So this is another business entirely that use sophisticated strategies built into their platform, specifically focusing on click to action, click to call actions, and job target coupon codes to drive results. All right. So this proves that the different strategies that we talked about actually works. All right. They work very well. So can you see that how this conversion multiplier method can easily triple 5x or even 10x the result that you're currently getting on your site? All right, it doesn't matter what business model you use, because as you can see from the result I just showed you previously, these people are coming from different business models. All right, freelancers, we have beauty, so we have software companies, we have investment companies, and what have you. We have e-com companies and what have you. All right, everybody is getting results no matter what your goals are. Whether you're looking for more engagement, more leads, more sales. All right, the strategy that we're talking about on the call today is going to be useful for you to get even better results no matter what you do online. So let's get to the real question, Ray. So if you've been listening so far, I'm sure that by now you're probably asking the question, what is the way to do it? The how, all right? That's the real question, right? So how can you apply this conversion multiplier method strategies on your own website to get your own result? Because we can see that it's possible, right? We've seen a lot of people using it, we've seen what they are, and we've seen people using them. So the question is, how can you be able to use them on your own business as well? And that's what I'm going to talk about in the next few minutes. How you can be able to employ these same strategies on your own website to get same results or even better result for yourself and for your business. So to be able to do this, there are two ways, all right? So you can either build it into your site yourself, or you can make use of conversion tools, all right? So you can either build it your site yourself, or you can make use of what we call conversion tools. And if you decide to go with option A, there are some requirements that are required. There are some requirements that you need to have to be able to deploy these strategies that we talked about on the call today using the first option, which is you trying to build it into your site yourself. That means you need to have access to your website code. You need to have access to your website database as well. You need to have access to your server-side logic. You need to also have access to be able to integrate some API calls, and so they can be able to make this possible. All right. So take, for instance, that you're trying to implement the exit intent or video pop-up strategy. There are some tasks that you need to do. All right. You need to create the exit intent trigger. You need to be able to display the pop-up. You need to be able to integrate the video. And then you need to also be able to create the frequency capping by using JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and some other programming skills to implement that. And if you cannot do it yourself, then you might need the help of a developer to be able to implement the strategies. Take, for instance, again, that you're looking to develop a custom strategy for lead generation and list building, right? So you need to be able to use HTML, CSS, PHP, Ajax, and the rest of them to be able to create your form creation. You'll be able to create your form, you'll be able to submit your form, you'll be able to actually store the data that you get, and you'll be able to integrate with your autoresponder or email service providers, right? So these are all possible if you have knowledge of HTML, CSS, Ajax, PHP, and how to be able to deploy API. So you'll be able to actually custom create these strategies working on your site if you want to build it yourself. All right. Also, take, for example, that you're trying to create a social proof and or review widgets. All right. So you're also going to be able to create solutions that connect to your data source, be able to create solutions that gives you real-time feed, front-end display, some urgency and scarcity. Again, you're gonna need to have knowledge of JavaScript, Ajax, HTML, CSS, and other programming languages to be able to create this. All right, so it is pretty much the same for all of the other strategies that we talked about, whether you want to create the countdown timers, the promo push, the WhatsApp chat automation, multiple campaigns, and everything. So if you don't have the skills to, if you don't know those programming languages, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and the rest of them, then you're probably going to need a developer to be able to create that for you. And they will be able to perfectly customize your campaign strategies and deploy them on your site. All right. So on average, a lot of developers, they will probably just collect like about $5,000 plus, $5,000 plus upfront payment to be able to develop and deploy these strategies for your business. However, if you want to make use of the second option, which is option B, you make use of conversion tools, right? It is pretty much possible because these things are already built into it. So you'll be able to actually find conversion tools that will help you to create these solutions yourself, to be able to deploy these solutions on your site. Tools like Pop-Up Pro, which is about $99 a month. Tools like Optim Monster, which is about for $9 every month. Tools like Proof, which is about $299 every month. Tools like Justino for automation is about $1,399 every month, and it's about SurveyMonkey will also be able to create reviews and feedback for you for about $139 every month. Tools like Landbot will be able to create WhatsApp automation for you for about $450 every month, and so many of those tools. All right, so you'll be able to actually create different solutions using different apps and different platforms that offers one or two of those solutions. But if you need multiple of those solutions, then you might need to have multiple subscriptions and multiple platforms working in your site to be able to use them. And on average, for making use of this, you're going to be spending over $2,000 in monthly subscriptions on this platform to be able to deploy different strategies for different goals that you have on your site. All right, on average, if you do all of these subscriptions, you're going to be spending at least $2,435 every month on these platforms. All right. But here's the thing. What if there's a different way for you to also be able to achieve these same strategies, even better results, say on one single platform without you having to pay a developer over $5,000 or you having to pay over $2,000 in monthly subscription fee, or you'll be able to deploy these strategies and make use of them on your site? What if there's a different way? A different way that doesn't involve you, it doesn't require you to have coding skills. You don't have to spend money on developers, and you don't have to incur monthly subscription expense subscription fees. All right. What if there's this solution for you to use? Would you be able to take it? I'm talking about you being able to launch all and any of those use cases that we talked about previously in 3 simple steps, just about copying the code, pasting it, and launching it, and that's it. If this solution is available for you, would you be able to take it? All right. Let me ask you a question real quick. Um, I know we've been going on quite fast for about an hour now, and I know I'm moving very fast through the slides, and I've covered a lot of things. And I know that some of you might be overwhelmed by how much and how fast and how fast and how much information has been dishing out over the past hour. And so I sincerely apologize for I do apologize in advance for that. But the truth is that I have to do this because I want to make sure that you guys get the core conversion multiplier strategies on your mind, and then you have it on your mind, and you see the massive proof for yourself and see how it works and everything. And now that I know that you understand the power in this method, and the power that generate about 187% more leads for targets and about 20% more conversion rate for Mr. Gray, for Mr. Gary, and so many other people that have been using this strategy and they've been getting incredible results. I want to know if you will be interested in working with me or next month to implement this entire strategy into your business. All right. You've seen how the conversion multiplier strategy works for different businesses. You've seen big businesses using it to generate insane results. You've seen smaller businesses using it to get amazing results. You've seen individual solopreneurs using the strategy to get insane results. You've seen a lot of businesses using it. You've seen so many proofs that this strategy works for myself, for other businesses, for our clients, and for our students. I want to know if you'll be interested in working with me over the next month to implement the entire business strategy, the entire strategy, and the entire conversion multiplier method that I've been talking about over the past hour. If you've been interested in working with me to implement this same exact strategy in your business, for me to be able to help you, for me to help you enhance the rate at which your visitors engage with your business, to help you increase your lead generation, to boost your highly engaged audience to a very significant amount, and to help you increase conversion, be it in terms of lead generation, sales, bookings, appointment, and whatever your marketing objectives are. And I'm going to be able to do this for your business all without the struggle for you to boost your traffic. You don't have to struggle to increase your ad budget or spend more on marketing and sales, and you don't have to hire more staff or even spend more hours working. So if you're interested in working with me over the next month to achieve these results for your business, I want to type a yes in the chat right now so I can know that you're serious and you're ready to get started with me on your business, implementing the whole strategy that I talked about so far for your business and getting those insane results that you see other businesses achieving. It is possible for you, and we can achieve it together for your business. So if you ready to work with me over the next month to achieve these results for your business, go ahead and type yes in the chat right now so I'll know that you're ready to get started with me. All right. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I see the yes, yes, yes. The yes. Oh, thank you so much, you guys. You guys are interested, and I want you're interested, and I can see your yes, 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 yeah. Oh, yes, yes. This is very encouraging, and I'm very excited because yeah, I see you, I see you, I see the yes. Okay, awesome. This is what I was hoping for because I'm gonna make you an offer, guys, and this offer is crazy, and no one has ever got access to this offer before. All right. It's like the best offer that we've ever created so far. And I'm going to walk you through it. I'm going to walk you through every single thing and tell you what it is and exactly how it works. All right. So I want you to pay attention to every single detail over the next few slides because this is going to be your ticket to out of the mystery of not getting sales, not getting leads, not getting engagement on your site. All right. So because I'm going to be taking away everything. I'm going to be working with you over the next month to give you everything, and I'll show you exactly what this offer is and everything that it offers, everything that is in it in the next couple of minutes. All right. First of all, I'm going to be giving you something that we'll call the Conversa Premium Package. All right. So Conversa Premium Package is something that you're going to love. I'm going to give it to you. All right. So this is an all-in-one package that that's loaded with every single tool that you need to crush it, to crush your conversion goal. Over the next few slides, I'm going to give you the breakdown of everything that you get with this package, right? First of all, You're gonna get over 100 campaigns they're going to be able to create right with this package, and you're going to be able to also create image campaign, information campaigns, and feedback campaign that handles all your promotional and data gathering needs. You're going to be able to create live counters and conversion counters. That's your special proof and urgency taken care of. You're going to also be able to create your email collectors and your social shares. That's your lead generation and virality over there. You're going to be able to also create your call to action campaigns and cookie notification campaigns. Every foundational piece of the web optimization is covered right here. All right. But we didn't stop here at the front end. We gave you the business intelligence you also need to succeed. Okay, because you're going to be getting performance notifications, email notifications, active user notifications, so you always be in the loop about what's going on your website. Also, you're going to be getting full email reports and data exports, so that you can own your own data and have your information handy anytime that you need them, right? And plus, you're going to be getting helpful widgets like the collector bar and button bar as well. And just to make sure that you know this is zero risk for you, so you're going to be getting everything at 30 days money back guarantee for you, and you're going to have access to our 24/7 customer support, their email help, and WhatsApp as well. So this is not just a tool, right? It's the entire conversion department all in one premium package. Now that means that if you get access to our conversion premium package, that means that you'll be able to launch and deploy multiple conversion magnets across your entire site simultaneously to maximize every single interaction on your website. You're going to be able to use image campaigns to instantly showcase your product visuals to capture attention and to stop visitors from scrolling past your best offers. You're able to build your list with email collectors to proactively capture valuable contact information, the traffic you want, and that's the traffic you own to generate long-term predictable recurring revenue. And you're going to be able to also create scarcity with live counters, inject powerful real-time urgency and also you're going to be able to build trust with conversion counters to automatically display live social proof on your website. And you're going to be able to also um, maintain performance with notifications, get real-time alerts on how active, on how your users are performing and how your campaigns are performing on your website, which will allow you to optimize instantly and never miss a critical change, right? You'll be able to also get access to data clarity and data insights, export critical conversion data and reports to easily track what's happening on your site and everything. And you'll be able to eliminate all risks, okay, with our 30 days money back guarantee as guaranteed, right? And so much more value, sir. So this is the total package of your Investor Premium, and this platform does the hard work for you and it eliminates all the tech headaches and everything that would hold you back from achieving instant results with it. Okay, and that's not all. So it also means that if you're getting access to this, you're going to be able to eliminate the need for a developer. You're not going to need to pay any multiple subscriptions anymore. You're not going to need to have to deal with costly social proof widgets. You're not going to have to need any technical integration headache. You're going to get rid of long time losing time and cash. You're going to be able to also get rid of your delayed customer support needs. So this is like a freedom for you, right? This is like a freedom for you, and you're going to have access to all of this and get rid of all the fragmentations, eliminate the high cost, and get you back to focusing on growing your business. There's no code required. All right. So many of these things are available for you at no extra cost. Okay. So because for our users who are currently using this right now, you're going to remember one thing. Because I showed you in the previous slides where how much it might cost you if you want to do this here by yourself using developers to develop your own custom solutions, or you are actually trying to use conversion tools. On average, people who are switching to Converser, they are saving about $1,000 to $2,000 every month by switching to Converser. And this is going to be possible for you if you switch to Converser today for your conversion optimization of your website and landing page and sales pages. This is going to be possible for you. So what happens if you already have a Converser account? Because I'm pretty sure that some people on this site right now, some people on this call right now already have access to Converser, either the premium or some other packages. But if you already have a Converser account, you don't have to worry because we're going to take care of you. All right? We're going to take care of you. We're going to upgrade your account to the highest level. You're going to get access to the highest level, get access to everything that this package offers the best of the best. You're going to get access to everything. All right. So we're going to take care of you. Even if you have access to Converso already, we're going to give you everything and give you all the solutions up to the highest level of our of the software. So you don't have to worry about okay, you already have account. If you get access, what happens to your account? This is what's going to happen if you get access to the package that we're giving you on this webinar today. All right. That being said, let me also reiterate that this platform is very easy to use. Anyone can use it, and because it takes only a couple of steps for you to get set up and running, all you need to do is to simply copy one line of the pixel code that's going to be provided for you, just like you can see on the screen right now. Once you copy the pixel code, all you need to do, go into your website, go into your pixel code area, and paste the pixel code that you got from Converter, and you're all up and running on your site. Converter is ready to run on your site. Just simple two-step process. Copy the pixel code, insert on your site, and you're ready to go. All right. You don't need a tech guy or tech girl to do this for you. It's very simple. Anyone can do it. All right. Anyone can do it. No matter how newbie you are in using this, all it takes is copying and pasting the pixel code, and your converter is live on your site. So you don't need a tech guy or tech girl to do it. You can do it yourself. All right. That being said, we've got a lot of trustful of users who are making use of Converter right now, and they are seeing instant results. All right. We just talked about the simplicity, and we said you didn't need a tech guy or tech girl to do it. I want to hear directly from one of our users who's actually using the Converter Premium right now. And this tool is Lami, and he's a power user. Listen to what he has to say about exactly how Converter solved the problem for your business. Okay, Tolu confirms that the setup is very intuitive and easy to get, easy to set up with just a few clicks. It was up and running with HTML package page embedded, and that proves the copy and paste launch model that we just talked about. He also talks about the functionality being exactly as it said, with point and click menu, so no complicated coding stuff needed. And most importantly, he loves the analytics. He understands the impressions and clicks the campaign is receiving, and he knows how this campaign is going and whether to pause, modify, or make any creative change. All right, this is the intelligence that you need. All right. So according to him, the platform works, the tech is easy, and results are undeniable. All right. So this is an amazing testimonial from one of our power users, and just showing you that it is very easy for you. It is very easy for you. Okay. So you had totally confirmed the simplicity and analytics. Now I want to also look at the result that you can get almost immediately when you deploy this system. This is Magnus, all right? A serious entrepreneur running multiple businesses. Magnus calls Converter a game changer for his business. He confirms that the setup is very seamless and the interface is intuitive, point and click. All right, he set up high converting campaign effortlessly. This is the copy paste launch model that we talked about. Listen to his numbers right now. In the first week, he was the behavioral trigger that he set up on his side, the show proof notification, increased their conversion rate by 3.5% in sales in less than 1 week. That 3.5% lifts in conversion in days, not months. So he confirmed the seamless integration with their existing platform for so flawless, so no tech headaches, no developer required. Balance concludes that Converter is a must-have tool for anyone who's serious about maximizing their online business potential. So you can see the proof, you can see the simplicity that leads the guaranteed results in days, not weeks. All right, and that's not all. So you heard the fast result from Magnus. You also hear the simplicity from Tolu. Now, listen to someone who is even a software creator himself. He's Venkata Ramana. He knows what good software looks like because he creates software himself. All right. So Venkata confirms that Converse redefines digital marketing efficiency. He's impressed by how effortlessly it transforms his stores into loyal customers. All right. So he praises the platform that's the platform real-time proof and behavioral triggered campaigns for working seamlessly, delivering results without the usual complexity that most softwares or most other platforms actually have. Now, this is key, because he says that whether you are just starting out or an experienced marketer, Investor equips you with the tools to maximize your conversions and accelerate your business growth. So listen to this, man. If an experienced software creator and marketer like Venkata himself is calling this platform a must-have tool, we built something special. And this platform is not just easy to use; it is the professional solution that gets undeniable results. So the proof is overwhelming. All right, the proof is overwhelming. So let's lock it in the incredible value that Conversion Premium offers, amongst so many other things. All right. So you already know this. You already know the value of Conversion Premium. You know you're getting tons of campaigns, live counters, email collectors, and the rest of them. Okay. And you know you're getting rid of about $2,435 in monthly bills. But I promise you, the best offer we have ever created, and that means that you are getting even more than the core platform itself. So I want to introduce you to the first box that we call the Core Converter Core Package. And here's what you're going to get inside the Converter Core box. All right, the first one that I talked about is the Converter Premium, and the second one that we're going to give you under this box is what we call the Converter Extended. All right. So we already talked about everything you're gonna get with the Converter Premium. Everything we talked about, everything, all of the importance, the features and everything that comes with it. But I want to welcome you to the second one, which is called the Converter Extended. And with this, you're gonna get tons of features. You're gonna get tons of features. You're gonna get the AI extended campaigns across your entire site or limited website. You can be able to use Converter on a limited website. You'll be able to unlock the extended statistics, perfect for deep insight analytics, just like Tolu talked about. And you're going to be able to also gain access to advanced campaign types like video campaigns, audio campaigns, review social proof campaigns, countdown collector campaigns, and custom HTML campaigns right under the extended package. And this covers every single conversion strategy that we listed above. All right. So you're going to be able to get powerful new collector campaigns like request collectors and model collectors as well. But the true power of the extended is in the automation itself. We give you the unlimited notification handlers and integration options. Now, this is what eliminates the need for expensive fragmented software. You can integrate with your email notification, web notifications, Slack, Discord, Telegram, Robocall, and WhatsApp, SMS, X, Tweets, and Microsoft Teams, and the rest of them. Okay, and you also be able to get the AI email collection forms and AI automation that never stops running. All right, so you be able to get all of these, the AI email solution and everything, all in one place. And for those of you looking to use this in your agency and service business, we include AI client projects also cash in big. So this entire package is designed to crush limits and unlock exponential growth for your business and your clients. And this is the only way to get true comprehensive automation without paying thousands of dollars in monthly recurring fees. That being said, so if you get access to the box one, which includes the Converter Premium and the Converter Extended, what this actually means is that you're going to be able to run unlimited AI campaigns. You're going to be able to build your massive email list and deploy unlimited lead capture campaigns to build your uncapped list. You're going to be able to use video and audio campaigns to capture maximum attention by delivering compelling demos and offers on your site. You're going to be able to also get access to the unlimited notifications. You're going to be able to leverage reviews and you're going to be able to profit from unlimited client projects as well. Now, the Converter extended package is the difference between simply simple optimization and true scalable automated business growth. And that's why we included it in the core box. All right, that's why we included it in core box, and you're going to be getting a lot of things. All right, and beyond what you're going to get, you're going to also be able to get rid of so many things that so many bottlenecks and so many things that are probably holding back your business. You're going to be able to get rid of growth limits. You're going to be able to also eliminate the fear of hidden usage cap. You're going to be able to also get rid of strategy blank spots. You're going to be able to get rid of roadblocks. You're going to be able to get rid of restrictive creativity. You're going to be able to get rid of some comedy caps and low engagement and everything. Because the Converter Extended package is the complete freedom bundle that removes every barrier to scalability and profit. And this is the only way for you to build a serious value-based business without the limitations. Right? So many benefits you're going to get, and so many things you're going to get rid of if you're using Converter Extended inside the first box that we talked about. All right. So very quickly, I'm going to recap what you get so you can know exactly what you're going to get from Converter from this webinar deal that we're giving you today. All right. Very instant offer. It's never been done anywhere before. We don't have this same offer anywhere. This is the first time that we're unveiling this offer, and it's only available on this webinar. All right, so that means first of all, you're going to get the Converter core software, which is $294 in total, and then under it you're going to get the Converter Premium, which is $97, and you're going to get the Converter Extended $197, total value $294. All right, so that's the first thing you're gonna get. And beyond that, that's the first box you're gonna get, and then we're also giving you a second box, which is what we call the lead gen and direct response tools. All right, so under this we have what we call the Easy List Dino. So you're gonna get the Easy List Dino, very important package. You're gonna get from this webinar today. All right. So under the Easy List Dino, we're gonna give you access to what we call the complete lead generation suite, and that includes everything that you need to understand the full lead gen process. You're also going to get access to 100 plus lead magnet packs. So no more guessing, you get 100 proven high converting assets, ebooks, checklists, templates, and everything else, including software that you can use to immediately capture high quality leads. And this is the bait that you need to grow your email list. And very important. So all you just need to do is plug and play on your site and start getting instant results. So don't have to waste time trying to create lead magnets for you to generate leads from your website. There may be over 100 of these, and you can choose from anyone that matches your business and your offers, and you can just use Conversa to deploy them on your site and start getting instant results immediately. So the next thing you're going to get also, you're going to get access to dedicated swipe files for lead onboarding and nurturing, and these are the professionally written emails and sequences that automatically convert leads into paying customers overnight. All right. And in addition to that, you're also going to get 25 squeeze page templates. All right. These are high converting professional design pages ready to go. So this box is essentially because Conversa can generate, and this is essential because Conversa can generate over 17,000 leads for you, just like it did for the user that we talked about previously. And Easy List Dino is the system that ensures that those subscribers that you're getting from your site, it's profitable, right? This is the missing piece that generates your 5x or 10x revenue goals. All right, so that's what you're going to get if you get access to Conversa Dino through the second box that we're giving you. So that means if you get access to the, that means you're going to have access to, you're going to be able to instantly deploy a complete lead generation suite. You're going to be able to stop wasting time creating lead magnets. So you're going to be able to launch pages in minutes, not hours. You're going to be able to, because you're going to have access to about 25 speech-based templates. You're going to be able to also convert leads effortlessly using the data swipe that we're going to add to this package. So this box ensures that the huge surge of traffic generated by Conversa's campaigns doesn't just go to waste. You're able to use the Easy List Dino is a guaranteed monetization engine for you to also not just get leads, but also monetize those leads instantly. Incredible, right? And that's not all. So if you're getting this, you're also going to be able to get rid of a lot of bottlenecks as well. You're going to be able to get rid of, you're going to stop wrestling with copywriting because we have the copies and everything given to you. And you're going to also be able to get rid of the stress of creating content because we have the content and everything given to you with about 100 plus lead magnets. You don't have to create leads anymore. So you get rid of that headache as well. And you're going to be able to, you're going to also get rid of the need to pay pay for landing page builders. You will also be able to get rid of the integration headaches that come with you having to create those assets yourself. So many benefits that you can get. You get access to this package today, and we're giving you our Easy Days Dino as one of the packages that you get. Now, this box is the ultimate efficiency that you need. It means you're going to buy, you're not just buying the software, you're also getting the personal asset and the need for copywriters, designers, and expensive landing page software. And it's a massive value for you. You're locking today. All right. And it's simply very amazing. So that means on the first box, you're getting the Conversa Premium, like we talked about, and then you're also getting the Conversa Extended. And on the second box, you're going to get the Easy List Dino that includes everything that we just talked about on the page. And in addition to that, we're also going to give you the WhatsApp chat automation, which is an incredible addition to this whole thing. Think about this. Every business needs to connect greatly with customers. So you need to answer questions. You need to for booking appointment, for closing sales immediately. Okay, so right where your customers spend time, this is the best place for you to engage them. All right, and this is the fastest, lowest friction way to turn a visitor into a client. Remember how expensive this kind of automation is? Tools like Landboard are charging about $450 per month for this. But we're adding this to you free, in addition to everything that you're going to get on Conversa deal webinar day today. So if you get access to the second package that we have, our WhatsApp chat automation members are they're getting the following benefits today. So you with this package, you're going to be able to grab WhatsApp numbers from Conversa campaigns. You're going to be able to make use of live chat to sell fast. You're going to be able to use instant WhatsApp messages. You're going to be able to use this solution to recover abandoned cash very fast. We're going to be able to also make personal offers. We're going to be able to send broadcasts to unlimited number of people, unlimited messages, team-friendly chat, and you're going to be able to also make you take advantage of official WhatsApp business power. You'll be able to also smartly route your chats and everything. Info works with any Converster plan and so much more value that you can get with this today if you get access to the package that we're giving you on the webinar today. All right, quite incredible, right? So that also means that for those, if you get access to this, that also means that you'll be able to recover lost revenues. You'll be able to close sales faster. You'll be able to secure direct buyer. You'll be able to also maximize custom offers. You'll be able to flood your site with traffic. You'll be able to build authority very fast and create trust. You'll be able to scale effortlessly, use team-friendly chat setup, and smart writing to handle hundreds of conversations and so much more. All right. And that also means that if you're making use of this, you're also going to be getting rid of the low open rates with emails. You're also going to get rid of some delayed card recovery process. You're going to get rid of lack of authority. You're going to get rid of impersonal marketing because everything's going to be personalized. You're going to get rid of customer hesitation because this package is the final piece of the second box that we're giving you today, which eliminates the failure points of traditional marketing and gives you a direct, high trust solution to making more sales. So this is what you're going to get today if you get access to Converser as we go. The first one, you're going to get access to Converser core software, which is $294. And under it, you're going to get Converser Premium at $7. You're going to get Converser Extended $197. You're going to get Easy List Dino. Under it, you're going to get over 100 plus lead magnets pack, which is about $297. You're going to get access to 25 Squarespace templates for WordPress and some other site as well. You're going to get access to complete lead generation suite. You're going to get access to dedicated swipes for lead onboarding and nurturing. You're going to get access to WhatsApp chat automation software, $197. Total package, $3,488. And that's not all. So that means you're going to get the first box where we have what we call the Converser Core. Included in it is Converser Premium and the Converser Extended package. Also, going to get the second box, which is called the Lead Gen and Direct Response Tool. Under it, you're going to get Easy List Dino and WhatsApp Chat Automation. And then we have the third box, which we call the Income Scalar Tools. And under this, you're going to get the Converser Agency Teams. All right. So the Converser Agency Teams is something that you're securing in the third box that we're giving you today. And it means that you're going to be able to have multiple crew members in your Converser account. You're going to be able to take on endless clients, no limits. You're going to be able to also use the agency license to stack serious cash. You're going to be able to also, you don't need to have a website for you to be able to use Converser if you have access to this, because you can profit from other people's website using Converser directly. And everything stays clean and simple using this process. And you can also be able to grow your cash into a mountain, into a truckload of cash, profitability and all that. And you're going to be able to, this works with no matter what Converser plan that you already have, if you already have an account yet, and you'll be able to charge your clients whatever you want while deploying Converser strategies on their website. How cool is that? How incredible is that? All right. So I think that's amazing. I think that's a great advantage because with this, you'll be able to be your own boss, charge your client any amount that you want. You'll be able to run high profit agency effortlessly. You'll be able to scale to 6 figures with clean math. And just imagine that you can go into a cash mountain by using the pricing formula. Start with one client at $1,000 a month, for instance, and or maybe two clients at $500 a month, or even more. And then maybe you have about 20 clients, 10 clients a month. You can do the math and see how much money you can be making with Converser, because businesses out there are looking for solutions like this. You get access today and you're able to add it as a stack to your business. That's going to be an extra advantage for you that's going to be offering to clients and you get instant results. Right? So you'll be able to achieve unlimited client capacity and be able to profit without actually having your personal site. Also, just using this on other people's website, and they'll be paying you a truckload of cash no matter how much is charged them, because people are paying a ton of money for other people to actually implement similar strategies like this for them. And you can be able to do that very fast if you get access to the packages that we're giving you on this deal. On this webinar deal today. All right, so you'll be able to actually maximize your personal simplicity offers. Because the conversion agency team, the package that we have, is the ultimate income multiplier because it eliminates the ceilings on your client work and allows you to instantly enter the highest tier of service provision. And that's why we call it the income scaler tool. All right, very amazing. And that's not all. If you also get access to this, that also means that you're going to be able to get rid of a lot of bottlenecks as well. Okay, so this is it. For the first box, you can get the Converser Core, which includes the Converser Premium, the Converser Extended, and the second box, you're going to get Easy List Dino, the WhatsApp chat automation, and in the third box, you can get the Converser Agency Teams, and then plus, in addition, you're also going to get access to Converser Reseller License. And that's why we call it the income scaler tool, because you don't actually need to have your own website for you to be able to make money and succeed with Converser. Because if you have your own site, if you don't have your own site, you can still be able to use this either to offer as an added service to your agency business or whatever business service that you're offering right now. You can offer this as a service to clients using the team's assets, or you can actually resell the entire platform itself using the reseller license. And that's what we're offering you with this today. So our reseller members actually get complete unlimited revenue retention rights, professional battle tested marketing arsenals, and which includes high converting sales page templates, complete email marketing sequences, social media marketing kits, professional promo demos and product demos and webinars, ready to use sales script for every scenario, high converting paid templates and ad templates, and full service customer management system, and multiple profit income blueprint, which includes immediate cash flow strategy, generation strategy, sustainable recurring revenue models, and strategic upsells and cross-sell architecture, and proven bundle and promote pricing strategy as well, and so much more value that you will get. All right. Most importantly, among all of this is the fact that we're going to handle all the technical stuff for you. All you just have to do is sell the product, and we're going to handle all of the support, product updates, and everything that has to do with the product. So you don't have anything to do with it. All you just need to do is resell the platform and keep 100% of profit while we take care of the platform and take care of your customers for you. So that means if you're getting access to this, including the reseller license today, you're going to get access to a truckload of bonuses, which includes you being able to pocket 100% of your pure profit. You've been able to enjoy true passive income because you never have to handle support or technical issues. Our full service customer management system handles product delivery, technical support, 247 promoting customer support for your customers. And you're going to be able to also get back your investment in days, because you're going to be able to implement the cash flow generation strategy to recoup your entire investment within 24 to 8 hours after actually getting access to this. So you get access to a truckload of these solutions instantly. You're going to be able to eliminate all marketing workflow because you have all of the assets and your marketing resources that you're going to need to start monetizing and Conversa instantly, all done for you. We have everything. You're going to be able to instantly deploy a professional back-tested marketing arsenal, including sales pages, email sequences, and scripts for you to be able to start monetizing this immediately. And you'll be able to build sustainable financial future with this and become a premium effortless provider. All right. Incredible, right? Amazing stuff. So it also means that you're going to be able to get rid of a lot of headaches that comes with you actually having to create your own product. So you're also going to get rid of the stress and the headache of you creating and writing your own marketing tools like copywriting and the rest of it. You're also going to be able to get rid of the headaches that comes with customer support, very hectic. We're going to be able to take care of that. So there's no customer support nightmares for you. And you're not going to be splitting commission with anybody. This is 100% profit for you. And you don't have to worry about technical maintenance or any of those things that comes with you having with you creating your own product or running your own software yourself. You'll be able to remove guesswork. Why? Because this software already works. We've got tons of users on the app, and this is proving to work. And selling them is going to be it's going to be a walk in the park because we're going to provide every single marketing material that we already use to successfully market this product to a lot of people. And that's what you're going to be using to sell it to your own audience and making a ton of money. All right. Very effortlessly, very easy. So this is what you're going to get if you get access to Conversa today. First of all, you're going to get the first box, which is the Conversa core software. And in it, you're going to get the Conversa Premium $97. You're going to get the Conversa Extended $197. You're going to get the Easy List Dino, which is $3,194. And under it, you're going to get the You're gonna get 100 plus lead magnet packs, which is $1997, $2997. You're gonna get 25 squeeze page templates. You're gonna get complete lead generation suite. You're gonna get dedicated swipes for lead onboarding and nurturing. You're gonna get WhatsApp chat automation. You're gonna get the income scalar tools. All right, and under that, you're gonna get the Conversa Teams access. You're gonna get the Conversa reseller account, and under your reseller account, you're gonna have access to the unlimited revenue retention rights. You're gonna get access to professional budget sales marketing asanas, including your high converting sales page templates, including your complete email marketing sequences, including your social media marketing complete kit. You can including your professional promote product demos and webinars. You're gonna also include ready to use scripts for every scenario, and you're gonna also get high converting paid ad campaigns through value $11,173. Incredible, right? So um, I told you the last component is going to be super insanely amazing. And this is what eliminates the last shred of risk and last doubt about installation. Okay, so you saw about the simplicity in copy, paste, and launching Conversa. Okay, for the exclusive members in this webinar, we're eliminating that risk entirely for you because Conversa has recently ended any take overwhelm for anybody. All right, so if you have any doubt as to how to get this started, we have that problem solved for you as well. So it means that getting the software for about $11,170 about true value. You're getting the software, the assets, the licenses plus guaranteed expert installation, and everything that you need. Launching your first campaign is going to be easy because we're going to handle that for you as well. All right. So, and this works very simply. All right. How does it work? First of all, we're going to jump on a call with you and to fully understand your business, and then we get everything set up for you. So you don't have to worry about what to do, how to do it, and stuff. With the done for you package, we're going to take care of that, and take care of the every confusion that you may be having about using this product. I'm going to get everything sorted for you very fast. Okay, so that means we're going to handle the entire PTL installation. We're going to make sure that your first campaign goes live, active perfectly, and working perfectly on your site. And this service is also designed to end any take overwhelm and get straight to the profit and to profit and side of things immediately. So this is not a dead promise. This is a dedicated service that where we literally just do the work for you, eliminating any last barriers and guarantee you 5x to 10x conversions. This service alone is valued at hundreds of dollars, but today you're getting it included. All right, which is insanely amazing, right? So, which means inside the done for you expert package, this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get complete Conversa account set up by our team. You're gonna get your first campaign, your first Conversa campaign launched, designed and launched on your site. You're gonna get your customized to fit your business like a glove. You're gonna be able to also get easy hands off so that you can understand it. Also, we're gonna give you access. We're gonna teach you everything and how it works and everything completely. You also need to get priority support that's always there for you. You can get bonus tips to grow your profits. You can get easy fast delivery within 24 hours. You're gonna be able to get set up really fast, live campaign, custom designs, VIP support, and quick start, and so much more value. So this is a game changer for anyone who's ready to get started. So there's no guesswork for you because we're gonna step in. If you get access to this webinar today, we're gonna step in and get everything done for you very fast. So two ways of doing it. We can jump on a call with you. All right, understand your business, your goals, your strategies, and everything. And we're going to be able to deploy a campaign that will actively achieve those objectives for you running your site 247 hands free on autopilot. Right. And the second way to do it is if you don't want us to get on a call, you can give us details, reply to the message that we're going to send you and tell us exactly how you want us to deploy it on your site. And we'll go ahead and do just that for you. All right. We'll give you all the training, we'll give you everything, we'll get it all done for you. All right, so that means that with this package, you're definitely going to get you're going to get a lot of advantages with this package. The done for you package is you're going to be able to get complete Conversa account, like I said, all of the benefits that I talked about, all of the awesome things that I talked about. You're going to be able to get them all for free. All right, and in addition to that as well, you skip the waiting time, which means you can get fast delivery. Okay, you achieve instant perfect setup, and you'll be also able to start making money fast with it, maximizing your cash intake, and you never have to lose a sale, and getting confidence and replicate success very easily. Okay, eliminate risks, technical headaches, uncertainty, guesswork, and everything. Everything's going to be done for you easy by our experts. So you don't have to worry about a thing if you get access to the deal that we're offering you on this webinar today. All right, so this is what you're going to get. You get access to Converster webinar deal today. Number one, you're going to get the first box, which is the Converster core. And under it, you're going to get Converster Premium Package, $97. You're going to get Converster Extended, $197. You're going to get Easy Leads Dino, which is $3,194. Under it, you're going to get 100 plus lead magnets, $2,997. You're going to get Squeeze Page templates. You're going to get complete lead generation suite. You're going to get the case swipe for lead onboarding and nurturing. You can get WhatsApp chat automation, $197. You're going to get the income scalar tools, which includes the Converser Teams Access, $197. You're going to get the Converser Reseller account, which is $497. You're going to get, and under that, you're going to have the complete unlimited revenue retention, right? You're going to get professional buyer-to-sell marketing arsenals, which cost about $6,991. On it, you're going to have the high converting sales page templates, $2,500. You're going to get complete email marketing sequences, $697. You can get social media marketing kit, $997. You can get professional product demos and webinars, $1,500. You can get ready to use sales script for every scenario. You're going to get high converting paid ad campaigns. You're going to get the done for you expert setup, $297. Pro package, $11,470. All right, so you're going to get access to all of these things added into your Converster account once you get access to the deal that we're offering you today. So very quickly, let me ask you a question. If all this did, if everything that we talked about, all of the solutions, all of the strategies, all of the conversion multiplier method that we've given so far, all of the details, all of including the installation, everything, the services, the product, everything, if all of them did, if all it did, okay, if all this did was to eliminate your monthly subscription deals of about $2,000 plus every month for Fragmented Tools and give you the power to run unlimited conversion campaigns on your site without any technical issues, would it be worth it for you? If all this did was to recover thousands of dollars in lost sales every month through automated card recovery and give you 98% guaranteed open rate to come get with your leads and your customers, would this be worth it for you? Now, if all this did was to hand you the reseller license to build a true six-figure, 100% income stream without you lifting a finger for customer support or technical maintenance, would this be worth it for you? Now, finally, if all this did was to guarantee your success by having our experts set up your entire sales and leads conversion machine for you and get it live for you within 24 hours, eliminating all implementation delays and confusions, would this be worth it for you? Think about the entire value of what you're getting. If this is all you're getting right here, will it be worth it for you? Because we already know that you're getting a lot more values from this already. Like we've gone through the stack of values and the stack of offers and everything. But you definitely do know that you're getting a lot more values than this. But if this is all that you get from this webinar deal today, would it be worth an investment for you? All right, because when we were creating this offer, we had two choices, right? The first choice, we could have gone very cheap, and that's go as cheap as possible and try and sell as many as possible. All right, but that wouldn't incentivize us to stack the value like you can see here. Because if you get conversion from other channels that we sell, either from our site or from the sales page itself, you're not gonna have access to half of the deals and the offers that you get on the webinar live today. Because we had an option to go that route, we had an option to actually go as cheap as possible and try to sell as many as possible to a lot of people. But the problem is that if we go that route, we're not going to be able to stack the value and give you as much value and as much resources as we're making available for you on this day today. And the second option that we had was to actually require a little higher investment, but in exchange for that, we can devote more resources to keep advancing the software and granting your success. And we can also be able to advance and stack up the offer and give you so much more value like we're giving on the webinar today. So we decided to go to the second route because this is what is more important. This is better. This is better for you. It helps you better. It helps us better. Everybody, it's a win-win situation for us. So let me ask you one question. What is one successful website worth for you? All right. I know it's possible for you to get a lot, for you to have several websites successful, but one single successful website, what is it worth for you? Maybe $10,000 a month, $50,000 a month, or even $100,000 a month. So, what would you be able to pay to get one successful website? What would you be able to pay if you're able to get your website right now to start generating about $10,000 every month, $50,000 every month, or $100,000 every month? What would you be able to pay to get that? What would you be able to pay to get one website that's making you 5 to 6 figures income online every month? That's the true worth of the investment that we're giving you today. All right, because already this is worth billions of dollars for a lot of people. And like I showed you previously, several companies have used this strategies and they're getting insane results. A company like Amazon used the strategy to generate over $6 million in 2021. A company like Booking.com used these strategies to get over $10 billion in 2022. A company like Microsoft used this strategy to get over $245 million in 2021 alone. So this company, these strategies and everything that we talked about, the conversion multiplier method that we talked about, and everything that we're giving you access to on this webinar deal today is worth billions of dollars for a lot of companies as well. And I've also given you, showing you a lot of people, smaller companies who are also using this to get instant results as well. So it's incredible, right? So that's why you can see businesses are ready to pay people thousands of dollars to have this conversion multipliers implemented for them. So that's why we say that even if you don't get to use Conversa on your own site, you can use some other businesses and they can pay you tons of dollars every single month for it. Because people are already offering these services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, and they're making insane amount of money. All right, they can charge from as much as $375 for a project to about $2,200 for a single project. So we have people who are also offering these services. They've made over $100,000 every month. We've got people making over $200,000 every month, on a yearly. All right. I mean, sorry. People have made over $100,000 on their account. People have made over $200,000 on their account, offering these same services, and they can sell one single package for as high as $2,200, as you can see here. So companies are paying. All right. People are making a ton of money, offering these services that Conversely can help you deliver to your clients right now. And that's why you see people paying for it, because it works. So you can see that this is an amazing deal at $11,470. But you know what? We're not going to charge that today. In fact, about in the near future, we're going to get this price up to about $1,997 at least, because it's worth it, right? So this is really worth it at $11,000. But we're not charging you $11,000 today. And in the near future, this is going to go up to about $1,997 for you to get access to it. So, but because you're on this webinar live today, because you're here live today, because you've spent quite an amount of time listening to this webinar, listening to this training, everything that we had to go through, you've been here with me, going through these slides, listening to me, taking notes, and being and engaging with me and all. I consider that to be a commitment, and for that reason, I'm ready to make you a deal. All right. So for today, we'll let you get access to everything that we talked about, all the bonuses, all of the all of the offers, the reseller license, everything that we have talked about so far on this deal for only one-time investment of $395. So if you're ready to get started right now, you get started at www.getconverted.com/webinar deal. www.getconverted.com/webinar deal to get access to everything that we talked about today at one-time investment of $395. So you're not paying $11,000 like it's what you're not going to pay $1,997 that other people are going to pay for this in the near future. But everything that we talked about, all of the packages, all of the boxes that we talked about, box 1, 2, 3, and 4, you're going to get access to everything that's inside the boxes for a one-time payment of $395 right now if you take action now. And you can get access to this if you go to getconverted.com/webinar deal, or click on the button around this particular platform right now, and you'll be able to get access to this deal instantly. All right. So if you're ready to get started now, get started immediately. Copy this website URL that I'm showing you, getconverted.com/webinar.com. Copy it right now, open a new tab on your laptop and paste it right here. Go to the page and you'll be able to get access to everything that we talked about for just $395 one-time payment for life. So go ahead and take action. Copy this right now, put it on your browser, and go to the page to get access to everything that we talked about so far instantly. And also you can click on the link around this page right now to proceed to the next stage and get access to everything that we talked about instantly without delays. Here's the truth. Right now, if you want to get access to everything that we talked about, in fact, a fraction of it, not even everything. So if you want to get access to one of our plans, which is the Platinum plan is about the highest package that we have on the site, right? If you want to get access to that right now, it currently costs about $297 per month for you to be able to utilize it. So that means in 12 months, you're going to be paying about $3,564 every year for you to be able to get access to even a fraction of what we're giving here. But because live on this webinar right now, we're not even giving you only what is available on our site. We've added extra perks to it. We've added promotional criteria. We've added so many things on the box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4. All right, we've added so many things to it, and you're getting it at a ridiculous $395 in cent amount. All right, in cent reduction, in cent discount. So right now, if you go through our website, you're going to pay a lot more. In fact, you're going to pay $297 every single month, all right, and about over $3,000 on a yearly package, right? Right now, we've got over almost 3,000 people who are using this platform right now, and they are actively using it every month, which means it's working for them, and it's an amazing platform. So go ahead right now, click on the link and the button around this page to get instant access of $395, one-time payment, no recurring fees, no upsells, no OTOs. All right, today you have access to the entire unlimited done for you reseller license system for a single one-time payment of just $395 instantly. All right, this deal is a no-brainer, right? Click the link right now and proceed to get access instantly. You have two choices right now if you're ready to get started. The first choice you have right now, because we're here right now, you're on this webinar, we've got you a deal already. You have first choice, you can do nothing, right? You can do nothing and take no action on the webinar right now. Just stay, and it's 100% risk-free. You have nothing to lose at all. But the only problem with that is that by the time you wake up tomorrow, you're going to be waking up to the same problem that you've always had. All right. So you can go back to the relying on fragmented expensive tools that cost you thousands of dollars every month, or potentially will cost you that. Or you can go back to the struggle of low conversion rate and technical headaches. All right. But you are going to be leaving thousands of dollars in profits on the table right now if you don't take action. Now, the second option for you is to pony up this small investment today, compare it to all the values you're going to get and everything you're going to get in return, and just give it a shot. All right. We stand by this method and we stand by the software that we created because we use it ourselves, our clients use it, our students use it, and our users are enjoying it, like we showed you in the previous slides where we showed you the testimonies and everything. And we're putting our money where our mouth is because this is what we believe in, this is what we use, we've been using for years right now before even we brought it out to the public. So we stand by you, we stand by the method, we stand by the solution that we are sharing with you, and we are absolutely sure that this is going to work for you. All right? Well, here's the truth. If we can make you money, if we can help your business grow, if you cannot increase your conversion rate either by increasing your lead generation, your engagement, or the sales rate that you make, the revenue, if we don't make you money, then we don't deserve your money. That's what we believe in. So go ahead and click right now and take action instantly. because of our belief that if we don't make money, if you can't make money, then we don't deserve your own money. That's why we're giving you a solid 30-day money back guarantee. So if you sign up right now and you don't like what you get for any reason, I don't care if it is about 29 days, 23 hours, or 59 minutes from now, just let me know and I'll give you back your money. All right, 30-day money back guarantee. You can sign up right now. There's no risk to it. The next 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 29 days, 20 hours, 59 minutes from now, if you don't like what you get, just get in touch with me and I'll give you back your money instantly. No questions asked. So that's a powerful risk reversal for you. So there's nothing for you to lose. It's only us. We're taking up the responsibility to make you comfortable with this deal, because if you don't get results from it, then we don't deserve your money. So go ahead right now, go to getconversion.com/webinar deal and get instant access to this deal right now, because it is not available anywhere else. It's not available on our site. It's not available on our sales page. It's only available live on this webinar right now. This is the only place you're going to get this deal and nowhere else. So go ahead and take action right now, because we have you covered 100%. There's no risk to you. We're taking back all the risks of losing money, the risk of not getting results and anything. We're going to give back your money if you don't get any result with what we offer you. And that's incredibly awesome, I guess. So yes, 100% solid money back guarantee, and it's a bankable risk reversal for you. All right, sign up right now. If you don't like what you get for any reason, I don't care if it is 29 days, 28 hours, 59 minutes from now, just let me know and I'll give back your money. No questions asked, no hassle. Remember what I said. If we can't make you money, we don't deserve your own money. All right, if we can't make you money, we don't deserve yours. So you have 30 days to use this software and deploy the campaigns and everything that we talked about, the expert setup, prove the result to yourself. And the only risk you face is missing out on the deal. $395 for one-time deal. It's not going to happen again. The next time you're going to be seeing this offer is going to be $1,910 at least. So go ahead and click the link, the button on this page right now, or go to getconversion.com/webinar deal to get access to the live webinar deal that we have right now and take advantage of it. Incredible, right? Awesome. Let me ask you a question. All right. Let me ask you a question real quick. Is it worth gambling a few minutes of your time to check this out? Because if this deal is worth at least half of what we've claimed today on this webinar training, you already know it's going to pay for itself. All right? You have nothing to lose, absolutely everything to gain. You're not risking a thing. Our experts are ready to log in and get your first converting campaign live within 24 hours. So if Conversion does even half of what I have claimed today on the call, if it only recovers half of your abandoned carts, if it only helps to generate half of your converts half of your visitors into leads, you already know it is going to pay for itself as soon as your first campaign is live. So you literally have nothing to gain. The investment, you really have nothing to lose, right? The investment is very minimal. The risk is zero. The potential return is 6 figures. So the only few minutes of presentation cost you thousands of dollars in profit this month. So go ahead and take action right now. Go to getconversion.com/webinar deal to get access to this, everything that we've talked about today. Or click the link on the button on this page to proceed to the next level. All right. So you have no risk at all, because this is a product that's going to pay for itself, and then we've got you covered by our solid 30-day money back guarantee. You have nothing to lose at all. See, right now we've got almost 3,000 users using this using Conversion right now and counting. We've got almost 3,000 people making use of this software right now as we speak. All right. So look, when you look at everything that we've shared so far, we've shown you the billion-dollar strategies of Amazon and Microsoft. We've shown you that implementation for those strategies cost thousands on Upwork. Businesses are paying for them right now. And we've taken away every single piece of risk with our 30-day money back guarantee and done for you setup. So there is zero risk for you to fail with this. We're going to set it up for you, and we're going to have your investment protected. And we've shown you the ultimate proof. We've got almost 3,000 people actively using the platform right now. So the question is not whether the solution that Conversion offers provides work. All right, the evidence is overwhelming. So almost 3,000 people cannot be wrong about one thing. So it's not a matter of if you're going to need this solution, it's a matter of when you're going to need this solution. You will eventually need a system that multiplies your conversions. You will eventually need a way to run unlimited campaigns without paying thousands of dollars in monthly recurring bills. You are eventually going to need this system. So it's a matter of when you decide to join the thousands of people who are already succeeding. And I pray it is not too late when you make that decision. So will you join us today for a single one-time risk-free investment of $395 only, or will you wait to struggle for another 1 year and then end up paying thousands of dollars to get access to this? So if you ask me that question, I think it's best you take action right now. Go to getconverted.com/webinar deal to get instant access to everything that we talked about, or click on the link right on this page right now to proceed. All right, so we've seen the price, okay, we've seen everything that it offers, we've seen so many things that you can get with this, but I have one final thing to add, because we want to make sure that your decision is absolutely unqualified, no-brainer, so we're adding massive stack of insane bonuses for you today. Like I promised you from the start of this webinar, we've got some insane bonuses that we're going to be adding to you. And I'm going to start with the first two mystery bonuses that I told you about. I'm going to reveal it towards the end of the webinar. So the first bonus is what we call Conversion White Label License. All right. All right. These bonuses are insane. Think about this. You already had a reseller license to sell the Conversion platform for 100%. But what if you could sell the exact same powerful $11,467 or $11,470 worth of software under your own brand? That's what the white label license does for you. You can completely rebrand the entire application. You can customize the white label logo. You can customize the color, your support URL and everything, and make it directly to your brand 100%. This is the fastest way, easiest way to launch your own six-figure software company with zero development costs, zero support headaches, and zero technical risks. Our experts manage the platform, and you just manage the profit and the brand. The bonus alone is worth thousands of dollars in perceived in value and profit potential as well. So you get absolutely free. You get absolutely free if you get access to the webinar deal that we're offering you today. All right. So the second bonus we're gonna give you today is what we call the custom domain setup. All right. And why is this important? When you or your client run conversion campaigns, like social proof notifications and all that, you need them to show up with your clients. You need them to set up with your client's domain. This makes you completely professional and authentic. It builds massive trust with your visitors. This bonus allows you to connect your own domain. You can specify the URL and even specify part or supplement. As you can see on this page, you can set it up right inside a Conversion, and you have your own account using your own domain with your pixel. So pretty much that's how it works, right? That's how it works. And then the third bonus I'm going to give you access today is what we call the web traffic mastery. So this is going to help you become a traffic virtuoso with our web traffic generation mastery course. It's a comprehensive step-by-step blueprint to flood your offers with eager traffic. All right. So I know that starting this webinar, we told you that you really don't need to generate more traffic, but the truth is this: as you continue to grow and get more and more conversion, you're going to need to actually drive more buyers to increase your conversion rate. Because as you're increasing conversion rate, it is let's say for instance you have 2,000 people giving you $5,000 every month. If you get 4,000 people, that means you're going to be making $10,000 every month. If you get 6,000 people, you're probably going to be making about say $15,000 every month or thereabout. So yeah, you don't need more traffic to make more money, but if you get more traffic, you're definitely going to convert. And you're going to make a lot more money. That's just how it works, right? That's the math. So we're going to be teaching you how to even get more eyeballs on your offers and increase your potential to make even a lot more money. Incredible, right? Awesome. And we have one final bonus, and that's what we call the Convert like Clockwork Training Vote. So with this, you're going to be able to unlock the secrets to predictable, repeatable, and automated conversions. You're going to learn how to engineer a systemic process that turns visitors into buyers with machine-like efficiency. So this training is very essential because it is like it's the final piece that actually ensures that the traffic that you generate converts and convert very reliably day in, day out, without you having to deal with the headaches of how to use them and everything else. Okay, so we're giving you some instant packages on this webinar today that is not available anywhere else. You're not going to get this if you go through our website. You're not going to get this if you get through our sales page. You're not going to get this if you go through anywhere else except you get the deal live on this webinar today. All right. So and you can get everything that we talked about so far by going to getconverted.com//webinar deal. Getconverted.com//webinar deal. You're going to copy this URL right now and put it right on your browser. Go to the page and complete your purchase to get access to everything that we talked about on this webinar today. Very incredible, right? Awesome. So here's everything that you're going to get. You're going to get access to the Converter core software, which is $294, including the Converter Premium, Converter Extended. You're going to get access to Easy Leads Dyno, which includes the 100 plus lead magnet pack. You're going to get access to 25 squeeze-based templates. You're going to get access to complete lead generation suite. You're going to get access to dedicated swipes for onboarding and nurturing leads. You're going to get access to WhatsApp chat automation. You're going to get access to income Exceller tools, which includes your Converter teams. You're going to get access also to the Converter reseller account, which includes your complete unlimited revenue retention rights. You get access to professional marketing arsenals. You get access to high converting sales page templates. You get access to complete email marketing sequences. You get access to social media marketing kits. You're going to get access to product demos and webinars. You're going to get access to sales scripts for every scenario. You're going to get access to high converting paid ad campaigns. You're going to get access to our done for you expert setup at $294. You're going to get access to Converter white label license. You're going to get access to Converter domain setup, custom domain setup. You get access to Converter web traffic generation masterclass. You get access to Convert like a clockwork training info. Total value $16,255. You're not going to get anything close to that today because we're slashing the price to just $395 if you take action right now live on this webinar call. So to get access to everything that we talked about right here, go to getconverted.com/webinar deal to get access to everything that we talked about right now, right on this call as we speak. All right, because this is the only place that you can get access to everything that we talked about in one place. Everything you can see on my screen right now will be delivered to you instantly when you complete your purchase. And it is not available anywhere else. You're not going to get this anywhere else. All right, you're not going to get access to Easy Leads Dyno. You're not going to get access to Converter Core. You will not get access to Income Cloud tools. You will get access to Done For You. Everything with the bonuses, 1, 2, 3, 4 bonuses, insane bonuses with everything that's included inside of these packages today. It's only available on this call, and you're not going to get access to it if you get access to Converter from any other channel apart from taking action on this call live on this webinar right now. So that's the only place that you get access to everything that we just listed on the screen. All right, the Converter core software, the Easy Leads Dyno, the Income Scalar tools, the bonuses, the Done For You setup, everything that's under them, all worth over $16,000 for just $395. One-time payment for life. No OTOs, no recurring payment, no monthly recurring fees, no OTOs, no upsells. One-time payment for everything that you can see right here, right now. So you go to getconverted.com/webinar deal to get instant access right away. All right. So here's what you're going to do. All right. Click on the link right around this page, or you go to getconverted.com/webinar deal, and you're going to land on a page like this, where all you just need to do is to enter your name, your email address, and your payment information. You've got PayPal, we've got Stripe. So just enter your payment details and click on complete purchase to proceed. All right. And when you do that, you get access to everything that we talked about here today. Every single thing you can see on your screen will be delivered to you instantly once you make a purchase. Incredible, right? We've gone through a lot of the values, we got through a lot of the offers, and it's now time for you to take action, right? And I sincerely believe and hope that you do that right away, because it's very important, because this is the only place you're going to get access to all of these offers. It's not available anywhere else. This is the only place you're going to get these full value stock. for just one-time payment of $395. Which, if it does just half of everything that we talked about today, you're going to be able to actually make back your money in just a couple of days or hours. All right. Imagine that you resell the software for $197. You just need about 2 or 3 sales to, cover this investment. Imagine that you use this software to offer services to your client. Just deploy a couple of them to their site and charge them a certain amount of money, maybe $500, maybe $1,000, $1,500, $2,000, and $397. I've shown you screenshots of people who are offering the same services on Fiverr and Upwork, and they are charging premium for that, and people are paying. They've made hundreds of thousands of dollars offering the same service that Conversa can offer for you. So imagine that you get this software right now and you use it to start offering those services that Conversa can deliver, and you start charging your clients for it. How much money do you think you can make? You can make back this investment in just one single project. One client can pay you back this money right now. And without leaving you alone, because we're giving you access to all the assets that you need to actually begin to monetize it immediately. All the promotional materials, everything. If you want to generate leads, we've got hundreds of lead magnets that you can get access to, worth thousands of dollars, right? We've got templates for you to be able to actually launch your own website instantly and start using it, even if you don't have a website right now. We've got 25 different website templates that you can use to create your own site, you create your own landing pages, and start using Conversa instantly. Everything that we're offering today is not available anywhere else except on this call for just $395 instantly. All right, so I'm gonna grab a bottle of water now, and then I'll be back in a few seconds or minutes, and I'll start taking your questions because I see a lot of people have been dropping questions in the chat and then in the question box as well. I'm going to take a few of them as many as I can because our time is already quite spent, and I'll be back shortly, and then I'll take your questions very fast. So meanwhile, you can go ahead and grab a copy of Conversa webinar deal by going to getconversa.com/webinar deal, or click on the link right on this page to proceed. All right. So we have Kelson. Kelson is asking, how can I get access to Conversa and everything? All right, that's what I've been talking about since, Kelson. So all you just need to is go to getconversa.com/webinar deal, or click on the link around this page to proceed to the next page where you can get access to everything that we talked about so far. All right. So Jaden is asking, will this work from our Shopify store or other website or page builders that other than WordPress? Absolutely, yes. I shared a screenshot with you earlier in this webinar showing you the result that we're getting from our WooCommerce and Shopify store. We're also using this same strategy on our website as well, and we get instant results. So definitely you can be able to use Conversa anywhere, in any website. It doesn't matter whether it's a custom-made website, doesn't matter whether it's a Wix website, doesn't matter if it's Squarespace, ClickFunnels, Shopify, Lead Pages, whatever page builder or website that you're using, Conversa works across board. There's no limitations, all right? So the only thing you need is just to copy and paste your pixel code in a pixel angle. Every website has pixel angle because every website has analytics, right? So Facebook needs pixel to work on your site. Google needs pixel to work on your site. YouTube needs pixel to work on your site. So every website, because there is this integration built for every website. Every website has a pixel area, and that is where you're going to input your Conversa pixel, and it works instantly. It's just a matter of copy and paste, and that's all. All right, so yes, Conversa works on any website. And Steven is asking, are there upsells or OTOs? And if yes, what are they and how much would they cost? All right, so this webinar deal today is a one-off payment of $395, right? So you don't have, there are no OTOs, there's no upsells, there are no upgrades or anything. So you're getting everything, unlimited system in one for just $397 investment today. So yes, once you make your purchase, that's it. You're going to get everything delivered to you. So there are no OTOs, there are no upsells, there are no upgrades. All right. So you're getting everything live on this webinar today. Okay. So if you're looking to pick and drop, probably you want to go to our website where you can subscribe to different packages of $297 every month. But I'm sure that you don't want to do that because it is a lot cheaper and a better investment for you to get the deal right now on this webinar instead of going through the website, right? And plus every other thing that we have added to the deal live on this webinar call. So yeah, there are no OTOs, there's no upsells. It is all in one package right here, Stephen. And I hope that helps. So Priya is asking, what is this? What if this does not work for me? Awesome. There is almost zero chance that Conversa will not work for you. But if for any reason Conversa did not work for you, all right, we've got rock solid 30-day money back guarantee, right? So if for any reason you don't get results with Conversa, you're going to get your money back 100%. I don't care if it's 29 days from now, you're going to get your money back. So that's it. There's no risks for you. We take all of the risks ourselves because we're very confident in the quality of the product that we've built. So yeah, if it doesn't work for you, which is most unlikely, you're going to get your money back. All right, so Douglas is asking, is this possible? Okay, he said, is it possible to get further training on how to use specific features? Absolutely, Douglas. When you get into your Conversa account, one of the first things you're going to notice is your training section. All right, so we've got lots of training videos and tutorials, knowledge-based articles that's going to help you, guide you through the use of specific features of the platform on how to navigate the platform or make use of deploy different campaigns and everything right on the platform. All right, so we've got tons of training videos, tons of tutorials and everything right on your dashboard. It's about the first thing that you're going to see on your header when you get into your Conversa account. So yes, you are going to get access to specific training videos for specific features of the platform very easily. So. All right, and he's asking, how does the done for you package work? Awesome question. All right, so how it works is this. So once you complete your purchase right now, you're gonna get an email, and in that email is a booking link. So you're gonna click on that link and book a call with my team, and you're gonna select a convenient date and time for you that you just have a couple of minutes to get these things done. And then my team will jump on a call with you, understand your business, understand your goals, what you're trying to achieve, and then they'll be able to advise you on what strategies to use. And then they'll be able to create those campaigns for you and launch them live so Conversa can immediately start working on your website instantly. So yeah, it's going to be a one-on-one approach if you want that approach. If you don't want that approach, you can as well send us details of what you want, send us their email, reply to the email with the booking link. There's an option for you to reply. So you reply with your details and everything and give my team access to log into your site and get it all launched instantly for you within 24 hours after you book it. So that's how it works. So select a convenience date and we get on a call with you and get it done, or send us details and we go live for you. Yeah, so Ordinary is asking, says, I'm a freelancer. Can I use this for my clients? And how many website limits can I integrate Conversa successfully? Awesome, awesome. Okay, so yes, perfectly. You can use this for your client. You can use Conversa for your client, and that's why we have the agency teams access, right? So you can set up different accounts, different sub accounts for different clients, right? Inside the agency teams access, and then you can also create your clients' campaigns and then deploy them live on their website and charge them premium for that. So you can do that right on your account. You can add your clients as team members to particular project and give them access to the project that you want them to have access to and all that. So yes, you can use this for your website, and there is you can use it for your client's website. And there's no limit to the amount of website that you can use it for, right? So you can use it on a limited number of websites for your clients. I hope that helps. Okay, so we also have Jamali. Jamali is asking, how long is the subscription? Is this monthly or yearly payment? All right, $395 is a one-off payment. All right, so you're not ever going to be charged anything after this, and you're going to have lifetime access to everything that we talked about. All right, so it's not monthly, it's not yearly, it's a one-off payment of $395. All right, and I hope that helps. So Stephen is asking, Stephen says, how soon can I get access to everything? Instantly, Stephen. So once you complete your purchase, you're going to get access to your password, your access credentials. You're going to get access to log into your dashboard and start using Conversa instantly with all of the things that we talked about delivered to you immediately in your email. All right. So you're going to get access instantly once you complete your purchase live on this call right now. So, you're not waiting a minute and anything. All right. So Dicey is asking, can you repeat the offer again and everything that we get if possible? Sure, I can do that. All right, so you're gonna get access to Conversa core software. You can get access to all lead gen direct response, which includes WhatsApp automation, 100 plus leads, and a lot more. You get access to income scalar tools. You're getting access to agents teams, setup license, done for you setup. You get plus 4 instant bonuses, including white label, custom domain, traffic mastery, and clockwork vote. Right, convert like clockwork vote. All of them for a one-time payment of $395. All right, awesome. So that's what you're going to get access to today. Everything that we talked about, you're going to get access to the core software, you're going to get access to easy leads line, you're going to get access to income scalar tools, you're going to get access to done for you service, and all of our bonuses for $395 only. All right. Conversa Premium, Conversa Extended, you get access to 100 plus lead magnets, 25 script pages, complete lead generation suite, and so much more values you can get from this webinar today. All you just need is go to getconversa.com/webinar deal to get started right now. All right. So click on the link around or on this page, or open a new tab and copy and paste the URL that we're showing you on your screen right now. Getconversa.com/webinar deal to get instant access to this deal right now, right away. All right. So having said that, I think that's the most we can do because we've kind of exceeded the time that we proposed to spend on the webinar today. But that was necessary because we needed to show you everything that you get and everything that this does for you. So you can have this full spectrum of information that you need to make your decision. And I hope that you get access to this instantly because this is actually going to transform your business. So go ahead right now, take action, click on the link, get to this page, fill in your payment information and your details, and click on complete purchase to get instant access to this offer right now, right away, instantly. So thank you very much for joining the call today, and I do appreciate your time on the call. Yeah, and I hope to see you on the platform. I hope to see you on the inside. All right, thank you so much, and do have a great day.